Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again, and this is another video for DIY and tutorials. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this self-watering, self-sustaining planter for my plants. And here are the bottles that I'm going to use. This is vitamin water bottle, and I think it's better than the regular bottle because this is thick and sturdy, and then like this one, it's really soft and it crumples easily. So I am going to cut in this part. As you notice, I have more room from the top, from the cap, or from the lid. It's because I want to put more soil and have more room for the roots to grow, and the bottom part will just be for water, so I would want more room for my plants. So it's really thick, and then just use scissors to cut it so evenly, and then just cut the extra edges just for safety reasons. You can also use your flat iron, and when it's already hot, just put the plastic there and the plastic will melt so that the surface of the bottle is um, soft or smooth, I would say. There, and you will do it like that. So I'm just going to do it for the rest of the bottles, and it will be very quick. So I'm going to talk very quick. Just kidding. So I don't have a background music, so I'm just going to talk and talk and talk and talk. So I am doing this one because it's for indoor gardening. Oh, okay, I'm already here. So I'm going to make a hole on this what do you call this, lid or cap. So I tried some drill bits, it didn't work. So I tried nail, it didn't work either. So I decided just to use the knife and then just make a hole, actually crisscross, and then it looks like this there. Yeah. I also used this 1.5 liter bottle or 1 liter bottle, and then I cut it somewhere in the middle, just because there's already a huge room for the roots to grow, so I just cut it in the middle. Anyway, so I am making a hole, another hole here, just crisscross, and it looks like this. There you go. And then you are going to grab your fabric. Guys, I did not buy this fabric just for this reason. This fabric is extra from the masks that I made, and it's just like a wick, like, if you have lamp, you have a wick, pabilo ba sa Bisaya. So yun na lang siya, just make sure that it is tightly closed so that the water won't go inside the bottle. So just let the fabric absorb the water, and then put a little soil. Just make sure they're all compact down there. Add more soil, and actually what I'm going to do is add a little water just to make the soil even more compact. Okay, yes, just like that. This is the plant. This is bell pepper, and I'm going to repot this. Repot. It's not a pot, it's a rebottle, rehouse. Yes, you're just gonna make it softer using a knife or whatever, and then just tap it from the bottom. Duk lang sa ilalom para dili mabali. And look at the roots, it's already healthy. The roots are healthy already there. And then I'm going to get my container and then my plants. As you can see, the fabric is in the middle because we are going to put the plant in the middle as well. As the fabric absorbs the water, then it will give the roots will also absorb the water. Okay, don't worry, the fabric is soft, it's 100% cotton, so definitely the roots have more room to grow. Okay, and then when you are sure that it's already centered, magdungag lang ta og soil. We're gonna add more soil hangtod siya mapuno. And of course, since you are repotting or rebottling your plant, you are going to water the plant just for that time, because you know it's a new house, it's a new environment, para di siya makuratan sa iyang bagong environment. So ato lang dukdukon, para compact. And yan, it will be like that. So we add more soil and add more soil. And the soil that I'm using, since wala man tayo yuta din hino, nagpalit ko. I bought the soil. One sack is, I don't know how much, $5-6. Malaking yuta diri ay. Nabubuan na nato siya tubig, little water, just so that the plant won't be mamatay. Para hindi siya mamatay, hindi mabaguhan sa kanyang bagong environment. Paim na tubig, baka mauhaw siya. Ayan. And then, I'm just going to clean it. And I'm just cleaning the plant. Giving it a shower. And cleaning the container as well from soil. There you go. Limpyo-limpyo lang. And then put more water. Ay, kapag kong storya da. Lungagag tubig na ang ato ang container. So, di lang po kayo siya puno. Mga more than half. Para na pa siya yung room nga mag-expand ang tubig kay pagbutang nimo ba mo kuan ang volume pag submerge, whatever. So, inana siya ang iyahang itsura. Now, we're gonna do the other one. So, just push it with scissors. So, nanatay pabilo. And then, just make it tight and sealed. Add more. Add not more, but a little. Tangan na tug yuta, a little yuta, like that. And this, look, I have 2 here, so I have to separate both. Kay nga no, mag-ilog maguna sila sa nutrients, tapos dili kay na siya mutubo basta duha sila or daghan. So just make sure, just plant one so that all the nutrients will go to that plant. You are going to separate them. And then, transfer po na ako ng gamating-ting na tanom sa pikas po na bottle. Okay. Now, I only have one big bottle, like the 1 liter katong bottle. Okay. I don't really drink soft drinks. Drinks. Kuwanto siya. Ginger ale. So, I only have one. And, di lang kayo ko gainom ginger ale karon. It's, actually, it wasn't me. Kuan lang. Gamit lang akong bottle. So, we add more soil. And, add more soil. Pisit-pisliton. Kay, kung buhaghag po ang atong yuta, di po maayo kayo nga makagrow. Di po kayo makagrow. And, okay. Nganong nahimo na akong plantita din hino. Because, ganahan man ta magulay pa. Tapos, di naman ta kayo kagawas-gawas. Unya, indoor gardening running ako. Kay, wa man may backyard. Wa po may front yard. Muna naara na sila sa akong mga bintana. Indoor gardening lang ta. Dagan na kay tubig ako nabutang ana. And here you go. This is now the new house of my bell pepper. Self-sustaining, self-watering. Because you know what? I'll be out for a week or 2. And of course, I don't want my plants to die when I come back. They still are watered and fresh and alive. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and make one yourself. There you go. Love our nature, love our plants, and thank you so much. Until next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.